guys, welcome back. It's Mac. This morning we're going to do a little dove hunting with our 3-gun rig. Sun's about to come up, and down at the farm, looking forward to shooting some doves with my Benelli's. First time I've been able to get out to a dove shoot and shoot my Benelli M2. Had to plug it, which was not fun. But magazine only holds 2 because that's the legal limit, so I'll at least get to practice some twins loading, which I think is pretty cool, and some match savoring. So there's been a couple of birds flying in, but nothing that I could get a shot at yet. So I'm gonna get some 3-gun practice done today in the dove field. Right over you. About that double, baby. Bye. Just setting up the camera, and before I could get it turned on, another bird came in. I shot him, but I was just going to go over my setup sort of right now. I'm shooting my Benelli M2. I didn't put my match saver back on. I really would have liked to use my match saver right there. I gotta go pick up that bird, but my Benelli M2. I'm running my shell caddies, and just like I usually do in 3-gun. And I'm just shooting Estate 7.5, 3 grams of power, 1 to 8 ounce of shot today. Just kind of a dove load. So far the doves have been pretty steady this morning. Every time I try to set the camera up and start talking, I have to stop and shoot. So, about 4 coming in this way. Come on back, baby. So my daddy shot one of those. Still one. Right in the middle of this field, and right now it seems like they're all going around me. I might need to move a little bit actually. It's so hard to see with that sun that way. Still got a bird down right there I need to go get. got my first couple out of the way. sort of a burst of birds that just came in all of a sudden on us. Shot one down, and I was actually out picking the bird up, and I kept shooting birds, and then I kept forgetting where they were because they just kept coming in on me. But I was finally able to pick up all three. But the sun is just killing me right now. It's so bright. I just wished my darker lenses. I really wanted to wear the clear lenses. But, the sun's just killing me. It's like right above the tree line. I can't see anything looking back that way. So I'm having to kind of face the other way so that I don't go blind. But, so far, pretty good shoot so far. There was two of them, and I shot one out of two. It went down. Oh, I've been walking around for like 30 minutes looking for one dove. And finally my uncle's lab came over and found it for me. He had walked about 75 yards from where he went down. Mike! That one went around me. The sun is killing me. This is a lot of fun, I'm getting quite a bit of reloading practice, which is the most important thing. Actually, I think I might need to change chokes because all the birds that I'm shooting are a little bit further than they really need to be. I've got a light mod in there. I might need to put my improved cylinder in just because all of the close shots that I should be hitting, for some reason I'm missing. And I'm usually killing the dove on the second shot, so I'm thinking about changing chokes here in a minute. Slowed down here a little bit while I was walking around looking for doves. Things are kind of slowing down now. I've got one more before I hit my limit, so I'll probably stay 5 or 10 more minutes and see if any more might fly over. But it's been a lot of fun. I love dove hunting. This is how I grew up, and I was doing this a long time before I was shooting 3-gun. But pretty interesting to bring your 3-gun equipment out and hunt with. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of hunt you enjoy doing and if you've ever used your 3-gun equipment for hunting of some kind. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already. Once again, this is Mac. Be safe out there. We'll see you next time. Once again, thanks for watching. And I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to my channel. You can do that by clicking on the video on the upper left. As a subscriber, you'll be immediately notified every time I upload a video on a weekly basis. And these videos include guns and gear reviews, as well as content that's always related to 3-gun. And also, To watch more of my most popular videos, click on the video on the lower left. Once again, this is Mac. As always, be safe out there, and we'll see you next time.